That is the start of 1,500 meters men run, 3 and 3/4 round affair, the 1,000 meters. And soon we have a leader in this, but since this is a 3 and a 3/4 affair, we need to just wait and watch whether this leader here, that is 606 Ajit Kumar of Railway Sports, can emulate what Lily Das did right from the beginning till they finished. She was in the lead, but as of now it is 606 Ajit Kumar of Railway Sports in the lead, followed by 610 Ritesh Ore of the Railway Sports. So Railway Sports in the first and second place as of now, and let's see what is there, as they have 3 more rounds remaining in the 1,500 meters final. As of now it is still 606 Ajit Kumar in the lead, the man in the whole blue attire with the blue shoes, a very tall guy, 606. And when you see through the helicam or the drone, you can see the difference between them. And he has made a separate area for himself, and the others are following suit. But as of now, it is 606 Ajit Kumar of Railway Sports, and let's see whether he can emulate the feats of Jinson or Hamza Chatoli. 3 minutes 39.90 for the meet record. Anyway, that's way too far away. As of now, it is still Ajit Kumar, 606 of Railway Sports in the lead. And in the second place, we have some new faces coming in. But still, it is still 606 Ajit Kumar of Railway Sports in the lead. As they have 2 rounds remaining in this event, the 1,500 meters. And the lead is being closed in. So we have a new leader coming up, as they move on into the final 600 meters also. It seems it is Rahul Baloda of the SSCB. Is it Rahul Baloda? Yeah, it is Rahul Baloda of the SSCB who is in the lead, it seems, if I'm not wrong. No, it is 851. Bib number 851, Ahsan of Uttar Pradesh. I beg your pardon, it is Ahsan of Uttar Pradesh in the lead as of now. And they approach the home straight with 1 more round remaining. But then there is another leader emerging now. That is 739. That is 739. Yunus Shah of SSCB coming forward, leading the pack now. Yunus Shah, SSCB, 739 in the lead. And he seems quite comfortable. But then the race is not over yet. We have 300 meters more. And Yunus Shah accelerating. With the pressure behind him, he is set to accelerate. Now let's see what this tactics work. Does this tactic work for him? He is accelerating, but then you can see the other athletes are moving in. It is still Ritesh. Yunus Shah there. Yunus Shah is there in the lead. As of now, it is still Yunus Shah, but then nothing can be said as we see as they move towards the final straight. We have a new leader in 610, Ritesh Ore of the Railway Sports. 610, Ritesh Ore of the Railway Sports, running and sprinting towards the finish. But then he is being given a chase, a big chase by the others. But then, as of now, it is Ritesh Ore. Ritesh Ore. So that was Ritesh Ore.